7 best places to live in Delaware. Delaware isn't the biggest state in America. In fact, one of its counties disappears every time high tide is on. But of course, its size doesn't indicate that it's a shabby state to live in. In fact, it has an exceptional livability factor that made it attractive enough for various Fortune 500 companies to settle here. Delaware offers sweet deals when it comes to tax breaks, and that's good news for those who are planning to move here and start a business. Touted as the first state, Delaware is indeed a suitable place for families and retirees to settle. It is abundant in economic activities, and it offers top-quality amenities such as healthcare and education. It has nice neighborhoods and communities that would undoubtedly appeal to you. Hello everyone, this is Anne from Pack & Go, and in this video, I'm going to list down all the best places in Delaware. So just sit back, relax, and watch the video till the end. Also, don't forget to show your love to us by clicking the like and subscribe button. Without further ado, let's get started. 7. Rehoboth Beach. We should start our list with one of the major cities within the Cape region of Delaware. It has an outstanding living standard, and most of its residents are more than satisfied with what they have. This place got its name from its public beach. And it's not just an ordinary beach, though as it has a 5-star water quality rating, its pristine and safe quality make it appealing to locals and tourists alike. As the nation's summer capital, there's a lot of pleasing and exciting activities you can do at Rehoboth Beach. Its boardwalk, for instance, is so charming that various tourist publications often mention it. Meanwhile, the Funland Amusement Park offers a safe and fun space for families in the area. And if that's not enough, then Rehoboth Beach also offers a spectacle of live performances in its downtown. And did I forget to say that this city has a lot of first-class restaurants? Let me remind you, though, that Rehoboth Beach has the most expensive real estate pricing throughout Delaware. An average home here may cost $1 million. Fortunately, it is somewhat compensated by the fact that it provides opportunities for people to get high-paying jobs. The median household income in this city is $114,000 a year. 6. Bellefonte. You should also consider calling Bellefonte your next home. This place has close proximity to Wilmington, which is the biggest city in Delaware. Its current population is at 1,173, so you can guarantee that there's no crowd that can disturb your peace here. Since it's just close to the metro, you can expect that Bellefonte can deliver you tons of perks. A 10-minute drive will lead you to Wilmington Riverfront. There you can find a line of restaurants and diners. There's also brew pubs that have some of the best beers and wines in Bellefonte. Moreover, being Bellefonte lets you have a quick access to the Bellefonte Art Festival, which is typically filled with live music, performances, and an array of food trucks. Interestingly, this town has a low poverty rate. It's the 3rd lowest in the entire state of Delaware. Housing prices aren't that steep. An average home here costs around $226,000, while monthly rentals are around $1,000 on average. Residents of Bellefonte also earn decently, as the area's median household income is $79,000. That's definitely higher than the national average. 5. Wyoming. If you prefer a laid-back atmosphere, then I suggest you check out Wyoming. This one is a suburb of Dover, which is the state capital, and Wyoming established itself as a price-friendly place throughout Delaware. You can attain a quality standard of living here without spending too much. Moreover, it has inexpensive homes, with the average one costing around $186,000. Meanwhile, a typical household here earns up to $63,700 a year, which is plentiful considering that most of its services and commodities are affordable. Moreover, it has been noted that residents of this area have experienced a growth of income by more than 10% last 2020. Of course, the affordability of this place doesn't indicate that it has poor services. For instance, Wyoming is spending 50% more per student than the average school in Delaware. Hence, it is not surprising that many of its public schools are recognized throughout the state, especially when it comes to testing proficiency. Furthermore, Wyoming features a low unemployment rate, and in fact, its poverty rate ranked 2nd in the entire state. Because things are smooth in Delaware, its residents aren't that driven to commit crimes. There are interesting sights to see in Wyoming, such as Brecknock County, Moores Lake, and Tideberry Park. 4. Newark. One of the most densely populated areas in Delaware is Newark. It is the state's third biggest city, too, which houses up to 33,000 people. It has a bustling and active atmosphere, which makes it an ideal choice for millennials. It's also a great area for employment. Many career people settle here because of its appealing economic opportunities. Because of these qualities, Newark is the youngest place in Delaware, with 24-year-olds as its median range. It is one of the reasons why more than half of its residents have a college degree, with a significant portion having a master's degree or higher. Education has its place in Newark because the public schools serving here are spending twice higher than the national average. Since it's a college town, Newark is a great place for single people. And if you're looking for a romantic partner for a quick hookup, Newark could be the place for you. Houses in Newark are pretty affordable. The median home value in the area is $277,000. But at the same time, let me tell you that Newark has a somewhat low median income. Well, it is pretty reasonable as students don't earn that much. Needless to say, there's lots of good things that you can do in Newark. The White Clay Creek Park, for instance, is an excellent venue for fishing, biking, and hiking. 3. Milton. Milton is a charming town in Delaware. With its close proximity to Lewes, which is situated in the progressive Cape region. It only has 2,800 residents, so if you don't want to deal with the crowd, this is a place to be. Needless to say, Milton is a close-knit neighborhood. It has a welcoming atmosphere, which can be appealing for locals and tourists. Unlike other places in Delaware, Milton isn't near the coast. However, that doesn't mean that it can be a boring place to live. Those who love to chug their beer should visit the Dogfish Head Brewery, which is an icon within the area. It also has a thriving art scene. Many plays and performances are being conducted in the Milton Theater. If you're an outdoor lover, be glad that Milton is the gateway to the Prime Hook National Refuge. Numerous trails in the area are waiting to be explored. Of course, you should never miss the Lavender Fields Farm. Real estate values in Milton are pretty affordable. Its median home value is $300,000, and its unemployment rate is among the lowest in the state. Crime rates here are definitely not worrisome. You and your family can have a pleasant time living here. 2. Lewes. Lewes is a popular destination in Delaware. It has a lot of monikers. In fact, with one of those being the first town in the first state. Right now, Lewes is one of the finest locations where you can settle in Delaware. This place is located at the meeting point of Cape, Henlopen, and Atlantic. With that in mind, you'll be greeted by the area's historical structures and picturesque museums. You'll also love the waterfront restaurants and boutique-filled streets. It has a quaint atmosphere that is well beloved by its residents and visitors alike. There are a lot of things that you can do in Lewes. Popular activities include taking an adventure to the sea with the Cape May Lewes Ferry and spending your free time in the Cape Henlopen State Park. I also recommend that you visit the Lewes Historical Society main campus and Zwaanendale Museum. Interestingly, Lewes has a low unemployment and poverty rate. People here earn quite decently, and its median household income sits at $88,900. Meanwhile, its home prices are at $560,000 on average. Fortunately, taxes and commodities in Lewes are pretty low. 1. Ocean View. Ocean View is located in the southern portion of Delaware. Specifically, it is a neighborhood within Bethany Beach of Sussex County. It is one of the best places the state can offer, given that it can provide you with all the perks of residing in a seaside resort, minus the crowds and congestion. This place also houses numerous farm stands, art studios, and historical relics that you should check out. It has a quintessential suburb appeal, which makes it a prime real estate destination. An average home in Ocean View costs around $350,000, which is definitely within reach of many households. Interestingly enough, Ocean View has an unemployment rate of only 2.2%. Furthermore, Ocean View showcases a low crime rate. In fact, throughout Delaware, this area is considered to be the safest. It is less than half of the national average. There are amazing sites and recreational facilities that you can access once you're in Ocean View. The Bethany Beach Nature Center, Gallery 1, and Holt's Landing State are some of its top attractions. There's also one golf course in the area. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, just hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe!